Not everyone needs the same OBD2 scanner. Some of you want AI doing the thinking for you. Some of you want a pro-level tablet without the pro-level price. And some of you just want something small, cheap, and reliable that works with an app you already have. In this video, I'm covering all three, one for every budget and every type of driver. Links to all three are down in the description. First up, the top tier pick, the MuCar 892BT. This is an 8-inch Android tablet scanner, and the headline feature is the built-in AI assistant. Instead of just spitting out a fault code and leaving you to Google it, you can actually chat with it. It analyzes the code and gives you a plain English explanation and repair suggestion, almost like having a mechanic walk you through it. Under the hood, it's genuinely powerful too. Full bidirectional control across engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag systems. More than 140 car brands and 10,000 plus models covered. Over 35 reset services and complete ECU coding so you can reflash and customize OEM settings. It also supports the newer CAN-FD and DOIP protocols that a lot of budget scanners can't talk to yet. And updates are free for life, no subscription trap. Best for anyone who wants the most advanced, easiest to understand diagnostics on the market, especially if you're not a trained mechanic and want the tool to explain things to you. Next up is the sweet spot for most people, the TOPDON Diag 900 Lite. This is also an 8-inch tablet, but it's priced to be the mid-range value pick, and it does not cut corners where it counts.
You still get real bidirectional control, meaning it can actively command parts like fuel injectors, coolant pumps, and even windows or wipers to help you isolate a fault instead of just guessing. It runs full system diagnostics across more than 60 brands, covers 8 of the most commonly needed reset services like oil resets, EPB, SAS, and ABS bleeding, and it comes with a built-in DTC repair guide that explains fault codes in plain terms. It's also fully wireless. The VCI connects over Bluetooth up to 33 feet away, so you can walk around the car while it's running an active test. And it comes with 2 years of free software updates included. Best for DIYers and mobile mechanics who want real pro-level bidirectional diagnostics without paying flagship pricing. And last, but honestly one of the smartest buys on this list, the OBDLink MX Plus. This one's completely different from the first two. There's no screen, no tablet. It's a small Bluetooth adapter that plugs into your OBD port and turns your own phone into the scan tool. Don't let the size fool you though. It reads and clears codes on every OBD-compliant vehicle from 1996 and newer, and it goes further than most budget adapters by unlocking manufacturer-specific data on Ford, GM, Mazda, Nissan, and Toyota vehicles, stuff like ABS, SRS, and TPMS data that generic scanners can't touch. It's also compatible with popular third-party apps like Forscan, Torque, and Beamer Code, so if you're already using one of those, this is the adapter built to work with it. It's small enough to leave plugged in permanently too, with a sleep mode that won't drain your battery, and there's no subscription required.
Best for anyone who wants dealer-level data access on a budget, or already uses an app like Forscan or Torque and just needs the right adapter. So here's the quick breakdown. Want AI to explain everything to you? Get the MuCar 892BT. Want the best all-around bidirectional tablet without flagship pricing? Get the TOPDON Diag 900 Lite. Want something small, affordable, and app-based that still unlocks pro-level data? Get the OBDLink MX Plus. All three are reliable, all three work without a subscription. It really just comes down to your budget and how hands-on you want the diagnosis to be. All three scanners are linked right below this video, and full details are on each product page. Pick the one that matches what you're working on, and I'll see you in the next review.